Your body is like a high-tech machine. It's a marvel of biological engineering, with each part working in harmony to keep you alive and thriving. Just like a machine, it has various systems that perform specific functions, all interconnected and interdependent. Curious about how it works? Let's find out. We'll take a closer look at some of the major organ systems that make up this incredible machine. Understanding these systems can help you appreciate the complexity and beauty of your own body. First up, the digestive system. This system is responsible for breaking down the food you eat into nutrients that your body can use for energy, growth, and repair. Imagine it as a big, complex kitchen. Just like a chef prepares a meal, your digestive system processes the food you consume. It breaks down your food into tiny bits so your body can use them. Enzymes and acids work together to break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into their basic components. Starts at your mouth, ends at, well, you know where. The journey of digestion begins when you take your first bite and continues as the food travels through your esophagus, stomach, and intestines. Next, we've got the circulatory system. This system is like the body's transportation network, delivering essential substances to cells and removing waste products. Think of it as a superhighway. The heart is the central hub, pumping blood through a vast network of arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood is the traffic, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Red blood cells transport oxygen from the lungs to tissues, while white blood cells fight off infections. Now, let's talk about the respiratory system. This system is essential for breathing and gas exchange. This one's like a pair of bellows. Your lungs expand and contract to draw in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. It brings in oxygen when you breathe in and kicks out carbon dioxide when you breathe out. Pretty neat, right? The oxygen you inhale is transferred to your blood, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, is expelled from your body. Onto the nervous system. Picture it as the body's internet. This complex network of nerves and cells, known as neurons, transmits signals between different parts of the body. It sends messages from your brain to every part of your body and back again. Fast and essential. The brain acts as the control center, processing information and coordinating responses. Don't forget the muscular system. This system is responsible for movement and stability. It's like your body's engine. Muscles contract and relax to produce movement, whether it's walking, running, or lifting objects. Muscles help you move, lift, and even smile. They also play a role in maintaining posture and generating heat to keep your body warm. And finally, the skeletal system. This system provides structure and support to your body. Think of it as the framework of a building. Your bones give you shape and protect vital organs like the brain, heart, and lungs. It gives you shape and protects your organs. Joints, where bones meet, allow for flexibility and movement, plus it's where your blood gets made. Cool, huh? Bone marrow, found in the center of certain bones, produces red and white blood cells and platelets. So there you have it. Each of these systems works together to keep you healthy and functioning. Your body is an incredible machine, with each organ system playing a special role. From digestion to circulation, respiration to movement, and communication to support, every system is vital. Keep exploring and keep being awesome. Understanding your body can empower you to make healthier choices and appreciate the amazing machine that you are.